Good morning, students. Today we will continue our chapter 13, Festivals of India. Festivals of India. In first video, we have discussed about national festivals. In national festival, Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Today we will learn religious festivals. So first is Diwali. First is Diwali. People belong to different communications and different communities and religions celebrated their own special festivals called religious festivals. There are many religion there are many religious festivals celebrated in India. First is Diwali. Diwali is the festival of light. You can see Diwali is the festivals of light. On this day, people decorate their house with diyas. People decorate their houses with diya. This one, diya. Candles and lights. People also wear new clothes, exchange gifts, and prepare special dishes and sweets. Next is Holi. Holi is known as the festival of colors. This festival is celebrated by putting gulal and colored water on each other. Holi is the festival of color. You can see here they are playing with colors. Next is Dasera. This is the picture of Dasera festival. Dasera is celebrated to mark the victory of Lord Rama over Ravan. This victory of Lord Rama is considered the victory of good over evil. This festival is also celebrated as Durga Puja or Navratri in some states of our country. Now, Eid festival. Eid. Eid is celebrated throughout the world. On this day, people pray together and wish each other Eid Mubarak. Children are given Eid or gift money. A sweet dish called semia is prepared on this festival. Christmas. Christmas festival. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. It marks the birthday of Jesus Christ. On this day, people attend special prayers held at church. They also decorate Christmas tree, wear new clothes and wish each other. They exchange cards, cakes and gifts. Now Guru Parv. People, this is the picture of Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Parv. People celebrate Guru Parv in the ho- honor of the 10 Sikh Gurus. On this day, special prayers and langar are held at gurudwaras. In many places, huge processions are also taken out. And Buddha Purnima and Mahavir Jayanti. Buddha Purnima is celebrated to mark the birthday of Gautam Buddha. Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated to mark the birthday of Lord Mahavira. Third is harvest festivals. Harvest festivals. Food is important for all of us. Farmer Farmers work very hard to grow food for us. When they get a huge produce on the land, we all celebrate it as a festival. Baisakhi, Onam, and Pongal are the three harvest festivals celebrated in India. Thank you, students.